So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set up a direct deposit on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up, I want you guys to go to the top left-hand side of your screen and press on the profile or the profile picture icon. Once you do that, where it says account settings, simply go ahead and select that. Then on this screen, second from the top where it says direct deposit, you guessed it, that's what you're looking for. Once you're on this page right here, it says add money direct deposit. You can either download or share this if you want. You can also get access to your account number, your transit number, your institution number, as well as the institution name. And just make sure that when you're signing up for direct deposit, so maybe this is through your work or whatever, you give them this information that's being provided to right here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to set up a direct deposit on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.